Let's introduce how to install this hotel lock. This is the opening diagram. Make holes in the door with the opening diagram. Then install the mortise. This is the hotel mortise. This mortise should be upside down in this way. Fix screw. Then install the lock cylinder. The lock cylinder is like this. Fix the lock cylinder with screws. Install this side strip. Done. Let's install a square shaft. And this. When installing on the door, here's a little triangle. This little triangle needs to face the lock tongue. Face the lock top. This. Now start installing the front panel. Connect this power supply first. Then install this battery case. Unscrew a screw when replacing the battery. You can take it out and change the battery here. Fix the screws. Test it. Can be unlocked. Cannot unlock without swiping the card.